everyone, it's Sammy from Scrap Masters Paradise, and today I've got the December Elle Studio kit to share with you guys. I have had this for a little while, but I didn't do much filming for this channel the last couple of weeks, so I want to go ahead and walk through this. They did include a special gift for subscribers only, the big vellum 25, which is not vellum, wood chip 25. I think that'll be great for Christmas. I have not done any scrapbooking in a while. I do need to do an update video for you guys coming up soon and talking about scrapbook plans and stuff, but that'll be great for December. And they always include an extra little card, and that one says winter, and it's got a little tree on the other side, which is also great for December stuff. So let's go ahead and walk through the December kit. All right, let's start with the die cut sheets. So you just poke these out of the sheets. They do have tabs, and I just use my cutter bee scissors to trim those tabs. So there's a look at those die cut sheets. I just really always love the style of these. They're simple and bold and beautiful. I like that a lot. Just really, really cute. And let's look through and get out the 4x6s. So I've got Fa La La. These are single-sided. New Year, New Possibilities, and then Favorites from This Year, which is a great one to wrap up the year. And then let's go ahead and walk through all of the 3x4s. So that one looks very similar to one that they've released before. Oh yeah, they're single-sided. Notes from this special day, morning, afternoon, evening. So you could outline Christmas Day or outline a different December day. Then a little star with a lot of journaling space. And here's a list, some little candy cane stripes, make today count, and then like a ledger style card for some journaling. You could maybe put a date there with a title there, some graph, goodbye blank, hello blank, and that was very similar to one that they released last year. I really like the gray on black with that one. 3 things to be excited about, and then a star, and then days of the week, so you could outline a week. And then that's pretty cute. You could do maybe the title here, a day here, and then journaling on there, or a picture down here. Love this. I always like the really simple graphic ones like that. And a rainbow stripe. Movie night, that's cute. And then it looks like little star confetti. So that'd be a great New Year's related one. So that is the kit. I do subscribe to the kit. You can purchase it in store, you can subscribe. And I think altogether mine's like $12 or around $12 a month. I hope you guys enjoyed this look at the Elle Studio kit. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.